Engine stop. I don't know why. Fuck.
P2. Switch P2. We need to fire up. P2 and fire up. And P1 and K1 button to start it. If you are in anti-stall, pull the clutch paddle.
Oh, it's stuck, thank God. Oh.
Okay, good.
I think it has to be the vibrations in curb exit of turn 2. The problem.
Charge button on to come in.
There was a lot of vibrations and the engine suddenly said the engine stop and I kept pushing.
Understood.
Are we safe or not?
P15, P15.
Oof.
It was risky. We will fix it for next run, don't worry.
I felt more bottoming there towards the end of the lap. Maybe we can check everything again.
Okay, we do it. What's your take on going on the scrub? I personally will go with the scrub because it is relatively new.
Repeat?
What's your take on going on a scrub and then new?
Yeah,
because it's relatively new. Okay.